to Keeping Up with Stephanie, and we are talking about Apple and why is it making it so simple for the MacBooks for shopping again. Well, according to The Verge, Apple MacBooks, not the original, the one that I have, the newer ones, they're very lack of, well, it's very expensive of buying a MacBook nowadays, especially they added so much onto the newer versions of MacBooks. You got your touch bar, you have your Siri bar, and you have everything. So Apple did one of those sleepy summer spec refreshes on its MacBook that usually passes without much fanfare or celebration. It's designed changed the Chromatic and butterfly keyboard that is still around. So you know how the MacBook Pro, they have a little keyboard like that, but the newer ones, they just have it like it's really like flat. You know what I mean? I have a couple of screenshots up here of the new ones. Yeah, it's like a flat, entirely like a MacBook. So, albeit in an improved form, and the spec bumps are nice but not earth-shaking. I am not talking about the earthquake that happened in California. My heart's on the people there. I hope everyone is safe over there. But I'm talking about Apple. The trimmed down lineup significantly discontinued the 12-inch MacBook, finally stopped selling the ancient old-school MacBook Air and to consumers and ditched the MacBook Escape, giving its entry-level MacBook Pro a touch bar. So basically, they're talking about the ones with a touch bar that I'm taking. It's going to be easier for you to shop for the MacBook. So basically, they toned down the price of the MacBooks. So if you buy it from Apple, it was probably $1,000, I assume. A student is looking for a ultra-portable Apple computer to help with note-taking and essay writing in college. Really important in that. They could have bought an iPad Pro with a keyboard, the 12-inch MacBook, or for a little bit more, the MacBook Air. The not-over-Apple devices has uncharacteristics for the company and frustrating consumers who mostly want a straightforward answer. So basically, it's how the actual computer runs through. So basically, if you're like a business owner like me and you want something smaller and light and easier to carry to, like, if you're traveling through an airport and you need something small that can fit right into your handbag, I say Apple is the best way to go for that because it's light, it's easier to fit right into your bag, and you can actually take it with you on the go instead of lugging that giant Dell computer. Believe me, I have had a Dell, and I was like, oh, there's my just how that works. Okay. Anyway. So it's the closest thing that the Apple is basically going to turn into more as like a basic computer, so it'll be easier for you to afford, and yeah, basically what this article is sounding like. If you really want to get an Apple MacBook Pro or an Apple computer, why don't you just go to Best Buy? Best Buy is the most cheapest place to get an Apple computer because I went to Best Buy and I had to spend a little bit more, but I did not spend that much. And for my iMac, I only spent $100. That was on Deal Zone on B&H Photo. So, yeah, usually Apple MacBook Air. Stop it. Apple MacBook Air is $1,000. Apple MacBook Pro 13 is $1,000. So basically, they're basically dropping the price. Basically, that's what it says. But I have not confirmed that. So that's what it is. Let me know the thoughts on this article on this one. And will Apple really make your shopping experience simple? Not a chance. I don't believe that Apple will ever make our shopping experience simple, because I don't believe that for 1 minute, because Apple is the most expensive store on the planet. And a lot of people say Apple is so lovely and it's easier to get in. I'm like, no, it's not. You might as well just go to Best Buy or just go to B&H Photo, or just go on Amazon and just buy the exact same thing within that same price range. Make your life so much easier. That's what I recommend, but I don't believe Apple is ever going to make our shopping simple again. So let me know in the comments below of that. And let me know in the comments below of what your thoughts on that one. And make sure you hit that subscribe button up there. Make sure you follow me on all of it of @7 Live.